Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of domes. I don't know what is. I know there's a lot of stationaries in there, so I'm just going to cut it. I found it. My father gave me this. In fact, is how much? I don't know. I don't remember. Like four 400, I think. It's 400. The whole thing is 400, and I'm going to see what is there in this bag. So thank you for staying with me. Thank you for staying with me, and we are just going to unbox or unpack. I think it's unpack it. And so this thing that they have tied is very difficult to cut. Okay, I cut myself. Never mind. Okay, let's start. Now we are going to open the. Okay. This thing. Now we're going to open the bag and see what is there. It's very hard to open. Okay. Yeah, it's very hard to open. Really, the struggle is real. Okay. In this one, there's nothing. We don't have anything in this. Maybe because people are going to open it and take the stuff and go away. First thing I can see is a ruler, a scaler of 30 centimeters, and a mechanical pencil. Yeah, this is a mechanical pencil. It's purple. Oh, smooth. The end is very smooth. Okay. Oh, it's nice now. Can you see it? Don't focus on my hand. Don't look at my hand. Look at the mechanical pencil. So it's a 0.7. Yeah, it's 0.7. The stuff is 0.7. Next we are going to have 25 shades. 25 shades of it's 25. There's 25 shades in there. It's dome. Oil pastel. Yes. Actually, I do have one, and we have one free skeleton, two, I think, and this one is chalk. Yeah, chalk. Normally, I'm not going to use this. No, it's a stand, so I don't like to use. Not really like to use chalk, but I don't know where to put these. So maybe later on. Oh, that's so sweet. We have a chalk holder where you can hold it, put your chalk there and go and write. Next we have an eraser. It's an eraser. It's a car eraser. It's very nice. Like, children are going to love them. Okay, so you can just remove the parts. Yeah, there's black and the green one. If you want, you can remove the green one and use only the black. The eraser is quite good. I don't know if it's going to make dust, and believe me, I'm not going to use this one because it's cute. It's kind of cute because it's a car, and I love car. So another one is pencil color pencils. It's 12. I don't know how is it. I never used it before. Okay, so let's go another way. Another time I'm going to just open it. Oh, I missed this. 3.3 mm. It's 3.3 mm. I think it's the pencil inside. Another one, and this one is wax crayons, and you have in total you have 12, but there's one free silver inside this pack. Total we have 12, and the silver is the free one, so it's going to be 13, sorry, 13, and 12 watercolor pencil, no, watercolor pens, and this one is, what is this? Okay, let me see. Plastic crayons. You have 18 plus 1, no, plus the eraser. 18 plus the eraser. I don't know the color. And it's going to be fun using these. So next we have an eraser. Oh, do you remember the older video that I put about the domes? The eraser are the same, so I think I'm going to use that eraser instead of this one, because this one's kind of new, so I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to keep it and use the other one. Oh, why I'm going to use the other one, I didn't told you before, but I'm going to use all these stationaries as you can, as I said, I can find here. I'm going to use all these stationaries and draw something. Try it out. I'm going to make a review and a video. If you want, you can just subscribe to my channel to know when I'm going to upload. Normally it's weekly. And in this one we have, I think 12 pencils and a sharpener and an eraser, and a sharpener plus eraser. It's a combo, and the eraser is not going to remove, it's not going really, I want to remove the eraser, but I think there is a ruler. No, you cannot see this, it's too dark. Okay, these are the pencil. Remember the previous pencil that I was using before? No, that there was 2 pencil in the previous set of dome. I think I have 5. I think I can have here it is. This one is the same. It's the same. It is very smooth. The thing is very smooth to hold. And this is a scale 15. It's 15 centimeters. And I'm going to put them back. Meant for students or kids, so they can have their creativity in mind and draw. This is a flower. You can have, look, it's a flower, and there's a face also. Sorry, my camera is not focusing. It's like in a vertical form. It's not in the vertical, it's in vertical form, not in horizontal. And this one, I don't know what is this. It is index, it's written standard and the whole thing, and the paper is quite good. The paper is quite good to make the sound. Sorry, but I'm not going to put the sound here. It's quite good. It's not going to detach. You cannot tear it. It's a bit difficult to tear. And at the back there is I don't know, registration for what. It's a registration. Maybe it's meant for, maybe, I don't know, perhaps maybe they have give these things to students to make competition, for a competition of drawing competition. Okay, drawing competition. And in the back we have color wheel. Nice. I'm really enjoying this. Ta-da! Now it's over. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel, and because I'm going to like do this